Welcome to my video. In this video, I will be showing a tutorial of how to create modules in Canvas and creating content using HTML editor including images. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're logged into Canvas. Next, you want to click on your class. Click the blue Modules tab on the side, and then click the blue Add Module button. Add a name for a module, and click the blue Add Module button. The module is now created. This next part of the video is how to create content using HTML editor, including images. The first step is to go to the module you want to add the content to. Scroll down and click the Drop Files Here button. Select the file you want to upload. You can edit the name of the file you uploaded. Click the blue Update button when you're finished editing the name. Thank you for watching.